Hi, I'm Mike. Today we're going to be as busy as rabbits as we get to build in these little escape artists a new home. But first, we're going to go down and check the cows on our Wyoming Life. Welcome back, and thanks for joining us once again as we explore the ranch life and escape the ordinary. It's been a wild and crazy 2 weeks here on the ranch as we've been getting the ranch roundup put behind us, and one thing that really did get kind of missed during that whole experience was getting out and checking the cows. We try to do it every single day, but I can tell you I know that there were days that got missed as we prepared for the ranch roundup. The cows probably were on their own a little bit more than they should have been, as were our kids, who kind of got lost in the shuffle a little bit as well. I'm pretty sure that the day of the ranch roundup I spent I'm probably being generous here, but I think I spent about 15 minutes with the kids that day. So as we're down here checking cows, I want to wrap this up, check the cows, make sure everybody's okay, all their water and everything is okay. But then we're going to head back to the house and take care of a little project there with the kids and spend some time with them. They've had these two little rabbits for the last month or so, I want to say, maybe 2 months. And those rabbits got a chance to go on a little adventure here about a week ago. We are going to build them a new house today and make sure that they're safe and sound, and the kids are going to help us with it. So once we get back to the house, we'll get started on that project. But for right now, let's finish up checking the cows, and then we'll head that way. Checking cows on the ranch is one of the very first jobs that anybody has, and it's probably one of the best jobs to have. It's a chance to escape, head out into the summer pasture, miles away from another soul, and just look at cows. That's all you have to do. Drive around and look at cows. What you're looking for is anything out of the ordinary. Cows that are limping, cows that might be searching for their calves, or even just seem sick. It's one of those things that they say you never know what it is until you find it. Your goal is to put eyes on every cow and calf out here. And a cow, off by herself, is maybe a sign that something's wrong. Even if it turns out she just wandered away from the herd. Speaking of wandering away, as we finish up and head home, I'm going to tell you a story, and one that pertains directly to today's project. A few months ago, our kids got their very own pets. They started out as Grace's birthday present, but soon they've all adopted these two little bunnies named Twizzler and Nibbles. Twizzler is the white and brown one. Now, they've been doing really good taking care of their new pets, but a day or so before we expected 200 subscribers to the ranch, the bunnies went missing. We had no idea where they went, but we knew that there were lots of animals out here on the ranch that would love to find two gentle bunnies to, well, let's just say they'd love to find them. And at the time, so would we.
So we got a new house because the bunnies broke their house. The morning we came out there and looked that there were no bunnies in their house and the wood was completely broken. We looked a whole day for the bunnies and we couldn't find them. Mommy and Daddy said they were dead. And I said we were gonna have to get new bunnies that looked exactly the same. So people wouldn't find out that we lost their bunnies.
All that day, we searched. But by the end of the day, we thought they were gone. It wasn't until the next morning when we woke up and found the bunnies right back in their cage. Apparently, a 24-hour vacation on the ranch isn't what they expected, and they came right back home, crawling back into the hole they got out of. And when we get back home, it's time to fix this problem for good with a brand new house for the bunnies.
Daddy, can you please build the new bunny house?
The day the bunnies came back, Erin and I jumped on Amazon and picked out a new cage for them. We could have built one ourselves, and this winter we might just do that. But this is a quick fix and a great chance to get the kids out and do a bit of construction. However long it holds their attention.
Hey, don't make snow.
What are you doing, Lincoln?
Lincoln, don't make snow. Hey, no, I said. Hey. Hey, no, you're littering. Hey. Okay, that's enough snow. Hey. No. Gosh.
Side. I'm just holding it. 1, 2, 3. It's going to be.
Lincoln, hey.
Wait,
Bud.
oh. That's a door.
Not exactly sure where it's supposed to go. In fact, I might have even put it in before I screwed it.
Hey.
What? Huh?
Okay, it's time to get out.
Okay, get out here.
No, you can't get out
Get
there.
out of there. Hey. Now.
Is that the floor?
Yeah, one of them. Or something.
Whoa, it will go in me, right?
I've only got 2 hands. Somebody hold that. Can somebody hand me a screw?
Start with
1, 2,
it.
3, 4.
There you go.
Right there.
So what you doing?
So what are you doing?
Ask me what you're doing?
Well, I'm building this thing for your rabbits.
Now what are you doing? Like, why are you screwing on?
Oh, these are called clasps. Okay, that's enough. Whew.
Do air hole now.
You gonna do this side with me?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go, Link. You ready? Push.
Go.
Got it. This is the dough. Dough. Goes into position.
Like that.
So.
And then screws.
Hey, let your rabbits out. Lincoln, let them out.
Hey, did he lock them in there?
Yes.
Long screw.
Can you open the roof?
Can I
No.
help you?
Oh, you can't?
Whoop. There we go.
Want to make that click sound?
One more.
You need more.
Mackenzie, here's what we're gonna do.
You need more.
Undo your latches on that side. The silver latches.
Unopen.
Like that weird divider thing we put in there?
Yeah, they're gonna eat the crap out of
Why is that even there?
that. Why don't? So they have a and now you can't get it out because you screwed the roof on.
Well, I know, but I don't understand it.
Oh,
I like it.
And with
Spin it,
Mackenzie's
spin it,
approval,
spin
we move it into place. Right here? Teamwork.
Teamwork.
Go Team Owl.
What's team owl?
Nobody knows. Okay.
What is? Maybe. Stop.
Right one? Ready?
Welcome to your new home.
Here we go. There's your little ramp. Let's go up the ramp. That's the ramp. Here's your house.
Hey, he got it. It can be go get a box. I got the. Oh, it's your little son. I got to try to get out. I see that. I want to throw it.
Come here. Come here. There we go. So that's it. We've got happy bunnies and happy kids, and we've all reconnected as a family, somewhat, maybe. And until next time, we'll be here doing our thing. On Tuesday, we've got a brand new project list video coming out. And as we move along through the season, what's going on behind me? As I move along through the season, we're going to get into preg checking and sorting some calves and doing all kinds of cool stuff. So all that is on the way. But until then, be sure to subscribe. And thanks for joining us in our Wyoming life. Whoa! Hi, Grace.
I gotta take that.
You're so silly. Who stole my hat? Lincoln. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.